Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Royal Navy tests Malloy T150B heavy lift drone aboard HMS Trent to expand ship-to-shore logistics capability in Caribbean. The Royal Navy has flown a Malloy T150B heavy lift drone from a River-class Batch 2 patrol ship for the first time. HMS Trent conducted the sorties during its hurricane season deployment in the Caribbean. The trial assessed how uncrewed aircraft could support maritime logistics and disaster relief operations. It also marked a further step in the Royal Navy's work to integrate uncrewed aviation systems with surface vessels. The Malloy T150B can carry payloads of up to 68 kilograms and remain airborne for up to 40 minutes. Its top speed is 60 miles per hour, while its range varies from 13 kilometers to 37.5 kilometers depending on the payload. The quadcopter can operate during the day or at night and is equipped with thermal imaging technology. The Royal Navy said it could transport food, water, medical aid and other supplies to communities isolated by natural disasters. This new capability is a fantastic addition to our toolset for humanitarian aid and disaster relief, said Commander Gavin Lowe, HMS Trent's commanding officer. The team have worked hard to integrate the system into our operations and we're all very pleased to see the concept realized. Scout flight personnel from 700X Naval Air Squadron conducted a series of flights to familiarize operators and the ship's company with the system. The work included launching and recovering the drone from a moving vessel at sea. The trial demonstrated that a heavy-lift drone could be incorporated into established maritime aviation procedures. Scout flight worked with HMS Trent's bridge and flight deck teams throughout the activity. HMS Trent's flight deck routinely supports aircraft up to the size of a Merlin helicopter. The Malloy introduces a different operating model and could support future ship-to-shore resupply missions. Working with HMS Trent, we have gained valuable experience in operating uncrewed systems from the flight deck of a River-class Batch 2, paving the way for more complex resupply operations in the future, said Lieutenant Charles Hopper, Scout Flight Commander. The lessons identified during this activity will inform future training, experimentation and capability development as we continue to explore the potential of uncrewed systems at sea. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.